Good morning, students. This is your English literature period. Today is Wednesday and the date is 16.12.20. Student, today we will start new chapter number 13, The Elephant and the Mice. So everyone take out your book and write down date and quotation on the chapter. Date is 16.12.20. Okay, you can see yes, and then you have to write down the quotation, greet with love. Student, this story is taken from the Panchtantra story. In the story there are some mice and a group of elephants. So let's start the story. A long time ago, some mice lived happily in a colony by the side of a lake. Once, a herd of elephants came to the lake to drink water. On the way to the lake, the elephant trampled many mice. Student, once upon a time, there lived a group of mice under a tree peacefully. But once a group of elephants came in search of water, they found a lake. On the way of lake, they destroyed the home of all the rats. Students, trample means crushed and herd means group. Colony means also a group. At the result, there are many mice trampled because the elephants are very big and mouse are very small, very tiny. So the elephants having a big giant feet, okay, and under the feet the mice come under the feet, and trampled means crushed. And what is the result of this? Let's see. The elephant started coming to the lake every week. Elephants found a beautiful lake, and that is why they came every week. And when they came every week, then what will happen? So many mice killed under their feet. The result of this is many of them were crushed to death. The king of mice decided to meet the chief of elephant. He requested the chief of the elephant to take a different route to the lake. The chief of elephant was very kind-hearted. He accepted the request of the mice and asked the elephant to find another way to reach the lake. Then the king of rats decided to approach the elephant chief and request him to guide his herd through another route. He said, Sir, please change your route. I come to tell you about a fear of death. So we are very grateful, instead making fun of us. The elephant king agreed to his request and took another way to route of the water. And so the lives of the rats were saved. After accepting his request, the king mice said, what he said? The king mice thanked the chief and said, Dear sir, we are indeed very grateful to you. We promise you to help you when you require our help. He said, we are very, very grateful. Instead making fun of us, we have accepted you have accepted our request. In return, We will help you when we need arises. The elephant chief laughed on hearing this. He said, "You are too small to help mighty animals like us, but I wish to thank you for the offer." After hearing this, the chief means head of the elephant said, "You, such tiny mice, are going to help to giant animals like us?" But he said, "Yeah, thank you, thank you. I wish, thank you for the offer that you given me." A few days later, the elephant got trapped. Trapped means caught. Trapped means caught in a strong net. The elephants struggle hard to free themselves, but in vain. In vain means without success. Without success. What happened one day? One day, a group of elephants hunters came and trapped the group of elephants in huge nets. The elephant king suddenly remembered the king of red. All the elephants struggle hard. They do many effort, but they can't came out the net. So the king suddenly remembered the king of rat. Elephant trapped in the net and ran to inform his king. The mice king quickly came with some of the strongest mice in his colony. They quickly nibbled the thick net. Nibble means eating with a small bite. You can say kutarna, okay, the thick net, and freed the elephant. The chief of the elephants thanked the king of mice for their help. So he summoned one of the elephant of his herd which had not been trapped to go and contact the king of rat. On listening to the elephant, the rat king took his entire group of mice and they cut open the net which trapped the elephant herd. So the elephant herd was totally set free. Then the chief of the elephant thanked to the mice for the help, and they give the thank by shaking their trunk, and then mice and elephant with play with each other. They become great friends. So what is the moral of this story? There are two morals of this story. A friend in need is a friend indeed. This one the first moral, and the second moral is, that is very important for, don't underestimate on this earth. They can't be immense help in the time of indeed. So don't underestimate to anyone. I hope you have understood this story and you read this story, learn the hard words. Okay, in the next video we will continue the exercises and then we will do work in copy with the hard words, word meaning, question answer, and then at the last make sentences. So read the story, understand the story, watch the video carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.